How to change route on Google Maps on Android phone. Here's how. Open the Google Maps app. Make sure your location and Wi-Fi or mobile data are turned on so Google Maps can calculate your route accurately. In the search bar at the top, enter your destination and tap the correct location from the search results. Next, tap Directions. Google Maps will automatically use your current location as the starting point. If you want to change it, tap Your Location, enter a different starting point, or choose a location directly from the map. Once both locations are set, Google Maps may show multiple available routes. The dark blue route is the currently selected one, while the gray routes are alternative options. To switch to a different route, simply tap the gray route you want to use, and it will immediately become the new blue route. If you want to explore more options, you can zoom in or out on the map to view additional available routes before starting navigation. That's it. You've successfully changed your route on Google Maps using your Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick and easy Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.